Effortlessly cut down on your laundry pile with this washer-dryer from Indesit, which has intelligent technology to take care of your clothes. It has a B energy rating, a 1200 RPM spin speed, a medium-sized 7kg drum for washing, and a 5kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. Sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Once you've chosen the cycle you want, clever sensors keep an eye on the moisture levels inside and bring the program to a stop as soon as your clothes are ready. So, you can rest easy knowing your favourite shirt will always be in tip-top shape and you'll have given Mother Nature a helping hand too. Indesit's Wash and Dry program will get clothes clean and fresh in under an hour. With the push of a button, you can have up to 1 kilogram of laundry done in only 45 minutes, which is great when you're in a rush. Now that morning shirt or last-minute PE kit will be ready to wear no matter what life throws at you. If you're looking for a washer-dryer with intelligent technology to take care of your clothes, this model from Indesit is the one for you.